Hi, I'm Ellie from Genii. I'm here to get you started with the Motorola Defy Mini. I'll guide you through the setup basics and show you how to personalise it to suit your needs. Whether it's a downpour or a pocket full of coins, the Motorola Defy Mini is ready for whatever your busy day throws at it. It's scratch resistant, water resistant and dust proof too. And with its large capacity battery, you'll always be ready for business. We'll take a look at what's in the box shortly, but first, make sure you have saved your contacts from your old phone onto your SIM so that they are immediately available once you've powered up. Your Defy Mini comes with an AC charger, USB cable, 2GB micro SD card, headset and user guide. To get started, remove the back, insert the SIM, then your battery. Now replace the cover and lock it so it's extra secure. Press and hold the power button until the screens come to life. Once powered up, you'll be taken through the setup wizard. This is easy to follow and takes just a few minutes. Your Defy Mini will ask you to touch the Android. The first thing to set up is your Google account. Doing this now means you'll have quick access to the Play Store once setup is complete. Create, sign into, or skip this step to continue. Next, you'll be asked to set up Google Location Services. This gives applications your approximate location without having to use GPS. We'll continue with the default options ticked, but you can change all of these settings at any time after startup. Next are the date and time settings. Either tick for automatic network configuration, or you can set these options manually yourself. Then tap Next. Lastly, you'll need to read and agree to the Motorola Terms of Service, then tap Next. The home screen will now appear. That's your Defy Mini all set up. You're now ready to start personalising it to your needs. I'll explain some of the standard phone features to get you started. To lock the display, press the power button on the device briefly. The screen will go dark, which means it's in standby mode. You can do this while in any active screen. To unlock the device, press the power button and swipe your finger from left to right as shown. This will display the main home screen. While we're here, for extra security, we recommend that you create a passcode lock. It needs to be one you can easily remember, but not something people can easily guess. On the Defy Mini, your passcode can be a number, word, or even a pattern drawn on screen. These options are all very easy to set up. Just tap the menu button on the outer frame of your screen. Now tap Settings, then Location and Security, then Set up Screen Lock. Select the lock option you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. To return to the home screen at any time, tap the Home button. To select an icon or choose an option on the screen, just tap on it. To go back a step at any point, tap the Back button. Your Defy Mini has multiple home screens, so there's plenty of room to display all your apps and widgets. To navigate between these screens, swipe your finger side to side. At the bottom of the screen, there's a scroll bar that shows you what screen you're in. Tapping the Home button while you're on the main home screen brings up all your available home screens. Tapping the plus sign adds additional home screens. You can delete home screens by long pressing on one and dragging it to the trash can. Now we'll get the communication basics covered, sending a text and making a call. To send a text message, tap the message icon on the home screen, then tap the plus sign to continue. Start typing in the name of your recipient, and options from your list of contacts will pop up for you to select. Now type to compose. You can turn the phone sideways to bring up a bigger keyboard. The autocorrect function will suggest words to you as you type your message, which speeds things up a lot. When you're finished, tap Done, then tap Send. To make a call, just press the green call icon on your home screen, then either enter the number manually and tap the green call button, or tap the contacts icon and browse your saved numbers. The notification bar at the top of the screen alerts you to all the latest happenings on your Defy Mini, like receiving appointment reminders, missed calls, text messages and emails. To view notifications, swipe your finger down from the top of the display to the bottom. To see the details of a notification, just tap on one and you'll see a screen telling you more about that notification. Pressing back takes you to the home screen again. If you want to clear the remaining notifications without having to go through them individually, just tap on the clear icon above the notifications. Next, we'll take a quick look at personalizing the screens. Your Defy Mini allows you to customize many things: backgrounds, fonts, ringtones, and icon placement, to name a few. I'll show you how to move your most used icons onto a screen for easy access and remove icons that you don't want visible. The screen has two types of icon: app icons and widgets. App icons will launch a desired application, like your email, when you tap on them. Widgets are animated icons that display live information, like the weather, giving you at-a-glance information on the go. Let's add a widget first. Navigate to the home screen you wish to modify, then long press on an empty area of the screen. From here, you can add a Motorola or Android widget. Tap one, then scroll through and select the widget you want. It will now be placed on your chosen home screen. To add a new app icon to your home screen, tap the Apps icon, then long press on your chosen app. You can either add to Home or add to Group. Adding to Home makes it available to place on your chosen home screen. Adding to Group lets you organize your apps into categories, for instance, games. Back on the home screen, you can move any app icon or widget around by long pressing and then releasing your finger when it's in the spot you want. You can remove app icons or widgets by long pressing again, then dragging them to the rubbish bin. To change the backdrop shown on the home screens, just long press on an empty area of the home screen and choose Wallpapers. Select Gallery, then browse the options and tap Set Wallpaper when you find one you like. Google Play is where you can find a wealth of applications to increase productivity or enhance your free time. Here you can find almost everything, from social and business networking through to life planning apps, gaming and navigation. From the home screen, tap on the Play Shop icon. The first time you enter, you'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Once in, just tap on a category to go into it, or the back button to return. To install an app, tap on the desired icon. On the next screen, you will see more details about the app. Tap Download to install. To browse the internet, tap the browser icon on the home screen or tap the Yahoo T-World icon. T-World is a homepage for your XT mobile that lets you stay connected, discover what's new and keep up with your world, all from a single page. You'll find news and services from anywhere on the web. It's fast, always updated and designed with your XT mobile in mind. You will need a data plan before browsing the internet. Next, we'll look at email. If you added Google Mail during setup, your account will be available already, but you can easily add more, including additional personal email, corporate exchange, and social media accounts. To set up your personal email, scroll to the home screen where the email icon appears and tap on it. Enter your personal email address and password. If your password is case sensitive, tap the arrow key to change from lower to uppercase. Numbers can be typed by long pressing the key in question. Tap Next to continue, then give your account a name and tap Done to finish. Before you set up Exchange email, you will need the relevant information from your mail server administrator. Exchange settings vary from company to company, so if you have any trouble with this next step, please speak with your mail server administrator. To set up Exchange email, tap the menu button, then tap Settings, Account and Sync, and then Add Account. Here you'll tap the corporate icon, but notice also that this is where you can set up any social media accounts too. Now enter your work email address and password and tap Next. Then add your Exchange server settings. There are a number of fields available, but you only need to enter the information your mail server administrator has provided. Now tap Next, then you can choose to name your account and just tap Done. Bluetooth offers you fast, reliable wireless connectivity over short distances from your Defy Mini. This can be up to 10 meters, and you can use it to link many different types of devices, like car kits, music headphones, and headsets. To make use of Bluetooth, tap the menu button, then Settings, then wireless and network settings. Scroll down to Bluetooth settings and tick to turn Bluetooth on. A scan for nearby devices will start automatically. Now tick Discoverable. This makes your Defy Mini visible to other Bluetooth devices for 2 minutes to enable you to pair with one. Scroll down the list of scanned devices until you see the Bluetooth device you wish to pair with and tap on it. Check the PIN number matches and accept the pairing request on both devices. You may need to follow specific device instructions for the Bluetooth device you are pairing with, as every model is unique. The last feature we'll cover is power management. We'll give you some quick tips to extend the life of your battery so you can stay connected for longer. Tap the menu button, then Settings, then Battery Manager. Then tap on Battery Mode. Here you can select one of the preset battery modes, or you can create your own battery saving profile. Decreasing the brightness of your screen also helps save power. Tap back twice to return to the settings menu, then tap Display and now Brightness. Tap to turn automatic brightness off, then drag the point from right to left to adjust the brightness and tap OK. You can also change the length of time it takes for the screen backlight to switch off when your Defy Mini is inactive. Tap Screen Timeout, then select a shorter time to save power. When you're not using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS, make sure these features are switched off to extend the life of your battery. To do this quickly from the home screen, add the Power Control widget. Scroll to a free home screen, then press and hold on some clear space. Select Android widgets, then scroll down to Power Control. Tap to select and it will appear on your screen. Then all you have to do is tap to turn these services on or off. You're now on your way to discovering even more on your Motorola Defy Mini. Have a good look through the menus and explore the applications to get this great smartphone doing the things you need it to. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.